Hi everyone! Today in this video we are going to learn the fourth and the last type of past tense, that is past perfect continuous tense. What is past perfect continuous tense? Past perfect continuous tense is a type of past tense which is used to express actions or to denote things that began at a certain point of time in the past and continued up to that time, often with since and for. For example, they had been making a chart for the last 2 hours. We had been making the video since 9 o'clock. He had been writing a novel for the last 10 days, etc. Rule number second, where we will use since and where we will use for. Since is used with point of time. For example, since morning, since afternoon, since evening, since 9 p.m., since 9 a.m., since 12 o'clock, since 2020, since 1980, etc. And for with period of time. For example, for the last 10 days, for 5 months, for the last 15 years, etc. Rule number third, the use of past perfect continuous tense with another actions in the past is a good way to express or to show cause and effect. For example, Archana failed in her final exam because she had not been attending her regular classes. Rahul was tired because he had been jogging, etc. Rule number fourth, indirect speech or indirect narration. If the reporting verb is in past tense and reported speech is in present perfect continuous tense, then in that case present perfect continuous tense will change into past perfect continuous tense in indirect speech or in indirect narration. For example, Rani said, I have been playing for the last 5 hours. The indirect narration will be Rani said that she had been playing for the last 5 minutes. Rahul said to me, I have been cooking since 10 o'clock. The indirect narration will be Rahul told me that he had been cooking since 10 o'clock, etc. Rule number fifth, indirect narration or indirect speech. If the reporting verb is in the past tense and reported speech is in past continuous tense, then in that case also past continuous tense will change into past perfect continuous tense. For example, Preeta said to me, I was traveling in a car. Preeta told me that she had been traveling in a car, etc. Rule number sixth, past perfect continuous tense is also used to express the repeated actions of past perfect tense. For example, Mohit had tried 5 times to contact her, or Mohit had been trying to contact her, etc. Now in this video we are also going to learn the formats of the sentences. The first type of sentence is the affirmative sentence, or which is also known as assertive, declarative, positive, or simple type of sentences. Second is negative sentence. Third is interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentences are a type of sentence which are used to ask the questions. The questions are mainly asked by WH words and auxiliary verbs. The fourth type of sentence is interrogative negative sentence. The format of affirmative sentence is subject plus had been plus first form of the verb. First form of the verb means the root or the present form of the verb. Examples of first form of the verb are run, jog, comb, take, do, fall, grow, burn, arrive, reach, dance, sing, etc. Plus ing plus subject plus since and for. In past perfect continuous tense, we can use had been with all types of persons: first person, second person, and third person. For example, she had been waiting for her for the last 10 days. They had been cooking the cake since morning. We had been studying in the room for the last 10 minutes, etc. The format of negative sentence is subject plus had plus not plus been plus first form of the verb plus ing plus subject plus since or for. For example, she had not been keeping her books on the table for the last 1 hour. We had not been watching the TV since evening. She had not been washing her clothes for the last 3 hours. Ritu and Rina had not been writing a novel since 2 o'clock, etc. Now, the third type of sentence is interrogative sentence. The format of interrogative sentence is had plus subject plus been plus first form of the verb plus ing plus subject plus since and for. For example, had he been running since 10 o'clock? Had we been cooking for the last 10 minutes? Had she been standing on the chair for the last 5 hours, etc. The format of interrogative negative sentence is had plus subject plus not plus been plus first form of the verb plus ing plus subject plus since and for. For example, had she not been boxing since 10 o'clock? Had we not been making the video for the last 2 hours? Had she not been studying the chapter for the last 5 minutes. Had it not been giving us the milk for the last 2 hours. Had Rahul and Reena not been waiting for them since afternoon. So friends, it's enough for today. We will meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.